Hello everyone, and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. I've just finished shopping at the newly renovated Emma's fashion shop, and now part 2, I'll be building the apartment upstairs. Let's start with an 8x16 and 2 of these 4x8 plates to do the first floor. Same as downstairs, I'm starting with a row of white bricks, and this one here is recessed 1 stud back. This panel here is from Stephanie's beach house with this sticker on it, and it actually worked out perfect for this set. There's a little cupboard here above with a little teapot inside. Pop that up here, and this here will be some little shelves to go above the kitchen cupboards. And flying bricks again today. They seem to slip out of my fingers. Another big panel on this side, and this is a sticker of a nice prickly cactus. You can't touch this. I love that sticker. Alright, some flippy outy windows here at the front. And now those windows with the beautiful filigree sticker there. I love those stickers. Just makes those windows look so fancy. Here's some scrolls going in. They are such a great Lego part. I love them. We have some supports going in on the side. And I like these knobby bits. They just finish off things really nicely, and I use them for my lounge chairs too. So this one's going on the support post, 1 on each side. And now the arches are going in. It's like the front of the building looks like it's got eyebrows, I think. It looks surprised. I couldn't wait to build the apartment for this building. It just looks so nice. You'll see when it's all finished. I'm putting in a TV now because every apartment needs a TV. Got to watch something when you're relaxing, and the tennis is on there. I'm putting in a brick here with a clip on it because it's going to be a holder for something in the kitchen. Now a row of white bricks at the top here. Along here I thought the yellow looked best, so I'm using up these pieces that I had with the set. So it doesn't have to be all white around the top. I felt it looked best from the front being yellow. Now the navy blue plates along the top to add some contrasting colour. I love rebuilding sets, still keeping them looking original, but just making them even more beautiful than they are. So now the railing goes in here at the front. Just had to work out which way I wanted it. Yes, this way. Pop that in, and we've got some flowers there. And this is the dress shop sign, the alteration shop sign. I kept that the same because I really liked that. Now it's the fun part of putting up pictures and dressing up the apartment with furniture. And this is the couch that came with the set. Because I have 2 sets, I've got 2 of these. I'm like, nope, I have to put both in this building. And here's a little coffee table with some parties, not Smarties, it had to be parties. She likes chocolate, this girl that lives in this apartment. And here is a magazine rack. So the kitchen's going to be pink and white, and I've used these 2x2 bricks to make like a little stand for a beautiful pot plant. And this is the kitchen here. So because the little drawers were that coloured pink, I wanted to make the bench top this colour. And I made the sink that pink colour also. I really liked that. There we are, that fits perfectly in there. And little stove with a flying frying pan. Get back on there. There's the spatula. There's some little jars going here on the shelves. There we go. And look, a toaster, and I thought nice red colour because red's in fashion with appliances. So, and this is like a little juice maker, or a little blender actually, it's a blender. And here I have a plate with some toast and jam on it. Yummy! There's the little jam jar, we'll pop that over here, and we need the knife to spread the jam. What a pretty apartment, and this is Nikki. She lives here and she is actually the owner of this fashion shop. Here she is making her toast, and my cat wants some too. Alrighty, let's pop this on top of the fashion shop and you'll see what it looks like with just the first level. Wow, this is looking nice. I love it. I love that I made it like a corner building. Looks fancy and pretty. So I wanted to have a balcony, except the balcony will be at the front of the building. And these are all the parts that came with the set, so I'm using them all up. Once again, a row of white bricks is going along the bottom. It's to keep everything looking the same, tied all together. And we have the recessed bit as well, so one stud back. Here's the door that will lead out onto the balcony, and the windows with some more of those filigree stickers. This is going to look nice, I promise. And I'll put that brick around the right way. It was upside down. Oops. More of my knobby bits. Supports. So I'm trying to keep it all looking symmetrical. That's how you make a good modular build. I've learnt that from building all the time because I have not been happy with some of my previous builds. I have to pull them apart and start again. Here's the bathroom area, as you've probably seen, with the tiles, and we've got like a nice bathroom sticker there, and need to do another wall here for the bathroom. Some towels for the bathroom and a nice full-length mirror going in for the bedroom. And now we need a toilet, and I liked the blue colour, so we have a blue toilet, and they're the tiles that I've decided to pop in. I wanted a blue and white theme. Use up what you have. That's just what I had on hand. And here's the part for the shower. Spin it around now to finish off the front. So the scroll's going in, and there will be a little bracket here with the flower, same as the first floor that I made. Just building it up here with some more bricks. And this one here is a studded brick because I'll be popping up a picture a bit later on. This brick here with the handle on it is for the shower head. So she has a nice shower for a bathroom. And along here I've got the railings going in, and I'm popping this bucket in here because it's going to be like a planter pot, a hanging basket. Curved railings going in here for safety. We don't want to fall off the balcony. And here's some roses and some other daisy looking plants. I wanted them in yellow. I thought they looked nice in yellow. I'll just finish off this section here that I forgot to finish off before. Now a row of the navy blue plates going along here. Last one on here now. There we are. And now the eyebrows are going on. I call them eyebrows, sorry, arches. And these fancy slopey bricks. It's taking shape. I wanted to use up all these lavender plates that I had that came with the set, so a row of these along the top. Still going with it because they're all 1x2s, but I'm determined to use them up for this set. There we are, and these will be the little lavender flowers that I have. Now the navy blue bricks go on because this will be the roof part of my build. And same on this side. Okay, just finishing it up with some navy blue slopes here on the side and a 1x4 tile here. Same on this side. Let's spin around, take a look. Oh my goodness, I love the balcony at the front. Okay, bedroom time. Simple single bed here. It's on a 4x6 plate. And I thought I'd make it a tan bed with the beautiful blue bed sheets. And here's a matching desk and this very fancy lamp. Pop that in. And she needs a stool there to sit on, and so she can draw some designs. And here is a pin-up board with some notes on it. And we have a little stand here so she can put her skirt on. This modified plate here is for plumbing, and this is her basin, and I wanted to make some very decorative legs for it. Look at that. I'm loving her full-length mirror. Nikki, what do you think of your bedroom? Oh my goodness, Jojo, I am loving it. I love that basin. Okay, let's stick this on top and see what it looks like. The apartment I have put together as one piece, so when you remove it, you remove the whole apartment. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is looking very nice. So to stabilize this floor, because these are 8x8 plates, I need to put one underneath. If you have an 8x16 plate, use it, but I just wanted to use up those parts. And here I'm just putting a little light fitting for the kitchen area. Oh my goodness, what a building. Andrea's helping someone out in the change area. Oh, it's Bachelor Batman, and he's loving his new cape. Batman actually likes Nikki's skirt for his new cape, and he's rocking it nicely. Go, Batman, go! For my city, this building really needed to be 3 stories high, and I have quite a few modular builds like this already, so it fitted in quite nicely. I love how the front of this building has turned out, and I am so in love with that balcony on top. It just looks so dreamy and romantic. And I hope I've given you some ideas on what you can do with yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative. See you next time.